Blackout music in this motherfucker. Young villain. I've been running and ducking and running, just focus on cream, ain't stacking the grain. Niggas, they crab, they chopping their knees, they hating. Hate to see nigga with dreams. I learned lessons with root the progression. Times are hard for a fella not grind. No need to cry. Soon, I'll be my biggest investment. Was started as friends, turned to fools. Watching them niggas ain't ready, yo, bro. Don't trust your girl, cause when shit get real, she'll be ready to fuck your bro. When the lights go out, the freak come out, the guns get drawn, when shit's a drought. I'm spitting that fire, flip fingers, the light used to happen to burn in a house. Not worry for niggas that's running they mouth. They talking, I block them out. Get out of my lane, I'm full success. You can have the stress from fame. I'm a problem, I'm a mess. Beast mode, the way I game. I'm running and running and running and running. I'm tracking, but not the way. Hit started out as a gold in the drain. Felt good to be part of a team. Chasing that money, got nigga position in hell. Fail, fix to jail. Stunting, the story we tell. Niggas can't even make bail. Checking by shots of the Henny, don't worry, got plenty, it's BOL. Hell the liar. I'm Messiah, Zion, I got them all now. Asking about me. I did it all by myself. Now it's no wonder why they talking about me. Hey. You gotta stay strapped, huh? Got to. It's a dirty world out there. You see me? I'm playing for keeps. Gotta play for keeps. I want it all. I want it all. Fuck with the DMV salute. Real niggas stand up. Fake niggas step aside. There's blackout music in this motherfucker.
Everybody shines in different things. And a lot of things I can't do. I can't play basketball like every other black person in America. But I can act. I know how to go to that true spot in myself because I'm there every day. I can be me. I can be whoever because I'm true to me. I can go to neutral easily. A lot of people, black, white, Mexican, young or old, fat or skinny, have a problem being true to themselves. They have a problem looking in the mirror and looking directly into their own souls. The reason I sell 6 million records, the reason I could go to jail and come out without a scratch, the reason I can walk around, the reason I am who I am today is because I can look directly into my face and find my soul. It's there. It's not sold. I didn't sell it. It's still within me. I still feel it. My heart is still connected to my body. Given the chance, the opportunity, and the experience, and the lessons from people, I could be the best. But right now, I don't even wish to be the best. I just want to be one of them.